Theories out there and widely shared, I guess, but how would you know?
Yeah, okay, so I like...
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Caroline County, Goochland County, Hanover County, Henrico County, King William County, New Kent County, and the city of Richmond, effective until 3:44 a.m.
A lot of people would...
Lebanon.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leonardsville, or 13 miles north of Reading, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Leesport, Shoemakersville, Lyons, and Leonardsville. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 33 and 45. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather...
So WKYJ failed.